This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Honda Pilot. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, heated seats, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a locking rear differential, hill start assist, alloy wheels, roof rails, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, 7 intelligently positioned speakers, a leather-wrapped shift knob, front side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, front seat height-adjustable active head restraints, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and this vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. In addition to the innovative engineering and quality manufacturing that is part of every Honda, this certified Honda includes an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection, an additional 1 year or 12,000 miles of non-powertrain equipment warranty coverage on top of what's left of the original new car warranty, and 7 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain warranty coverage. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.